Hey there, blending enthusiasts. Are you tired of bulky, outdated blenders that just don't keep up with your on-the-go lifestyle? Well, you're in for a treat. Today, we're revealing the top 5 portable blenders of 2025 that are about to blow your mind. From insane power to jaw-dropping designs, these blenders are game changers. But here's the twist, some of these might shock you. Stick around because, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one deserves a spot in your kitchen. Oh, and don't forget, all the product links are waiting for you in the description below. Let's dive in. Number 1. Vitamix A3500 Ascent Series Smart Blender. This best-tested Vitamix blender features include a touch interface, 5 program settings, a programmable timer, variable speed, and pulse. In our tests, this model produced the best-tasting kale and strawberry smoothie that completely went through a sieve without any flecks of kale or pieces of strawberry remaining. Milkshakes were creamy, frothy, and had great body. Homemade peanut butter was silky smooth without any peanut chunks remaining, and margaritas were restaurant quality with a super fluffy consistency. Overall, we were very impressed with this blender's ability to break down even the toughest of ingredients. It was noticeably loud while grinding tough ingredients, and the self-cleaning function with soap and water wasn't a complete match for sticky nut butter. But the overall results are unmatched by the other models we tested. Throw in a 10-year warranty and you've got extra security that you will get years of great use out of this blender. Number 2. NutriBullet Blender Combo. Take your nutrition extraction to the next level with the power, precision, and versatility of the NutriBullet Blender Combo. Effortlessly switch between single-serving cups and a large capacity pitcher. The 1200-watt NutriBullet Blender Combo comes equipped with multiple speeds, a pulse function, and extraction capabilities for endlessly delicious possibilities. Plenty of power, 1,200 watts of power, extraction technology, and versatile functionality let you make an endless array of smoothies, soups, sauces, nut butters, and beyond. You've got options: extract multiple servings in our 64-ounce blender pitcher, or fly solo with NutriBullet cups. We've got you covered either way. Cleans like a dream. Our pitchers and cups are made from super durable, high-performance plastic and dishwasher safe too. Precision nutrient extraction. Our blades, cups, and pitcher are designed to work together for optimal nutrition extraction, turning ordinary food into superfood. Number 3. Cuisinart Smart Power Duet Blender/Food Processor. A highly popular Cuisinart blender/food processor combo, it has a low-profile 40-ounce glass jar and 7 blending and processing options that are clearly marked and easy to use. We love that it comes with a compact food processor bowl for chopping, stirring, and shredding. When blender testing, we found that this blender was very easy to clean and that it ground ingredients exceptionally well. We do recommend making berry and protein smoothies without tough kale though, since in our tests it didn't blend kale very well. Once the food processor attachment was on, we were even more impressed with how this model minced parsley, shredded carrots, and sliced pepperoni. All parts, except for the base, are dishwasher safe. Of note, at 500 watts, this is not the most high-powered blender, and if you do overwork the blender it will stop working temporarily until it cools down. Number 4. Breville the Fresh and Furious Countertop Blender. We were very impressed with how well this blender performed for its great price point. The green smoothie setting yielded a smooth and creamy texture with no sign of fibrous kale or spinach. This blender also has a regular smoothie button which will provide you with a juice bar quality smoothie in 1 minute. In our tests, this blender pureed soup to a silky smooth texture and produced a mighty fine margarita as well. The Fresh and Furious is easy to clean, and the jar and lid are dishwasher safe. In our tests, we found very few flaws, though the jar is just 50 ounces and became stained a little from tomato sauce. If you're on the hunt for a hand blender instead of a full-sized blender, we also recommend the Breville Control Grip Immersion Blender, which tested best in our Immersion Blender lab tests with a non-stick blender arm and perfectly emulsified mayo. Number 5. Ninja SS101 Foodi Smoothie Bowl Maker and Nutrient Extractor. We've tested a lot of personal blenders over the years, and this one surprised us with the amount of presets it offered, compared to many personal blenders that only feature a pulse button. We especially love the Smoothie Bowl Maker Cup, which features a built-in tamper and doesn't need as much liquid to blend ingredients to a smooth, very thick consistency. In our tests, we loved how the margarita was rich and creamy and there was absolutely no grit from the super fine sugar used. Don't forget the homemade peanut butter that was smooth and creamy in under 3 minutes. This model suctions firmly to your counter, which keeps it completely in place for its pulse-style auto smoothie setting. In addition to the 14-ounce smoothie bowl jar, this model comes with two 24-ounce blender jars with travel lids, which are all dishwasher safe. And there you have it, the top 5 portable blenders of 2025 that are totally worth your money. Which one are you grabbing? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more epic reviews like this. Oh, and remember, all the product links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep blending.